It's Halloween! And I have a surprise for the mechanicals and baby truck. Welcome to my haunted car wash. Foamy frights and fun for everyone. Well done for braving the bubbles. Have some sweets.
Looks like Gecko is handing out sweets just for going through his crummy car wash. That looks easy. Come on, Sly. We'll go through and take all the sweets.
Hello, Mr. Weasel. Hi, Sly. Your costumes are great. Would you like to try my haunted car wash?
Is this car wash meant to be scary? It takes more than a bit of foam to frighten us.
Well, it's meant to be fun. This dial controls the scariness, but I wouldn't turn it up too high.
Nonsense! Come on, Sly. A little scare for a lot of sweets. All of them.
If you wanted some sweets, you could have just asked.
What's going on? Oh no! I don't like it! Mommy!
Ghostly gaskets! I think it's a little too scary for Mr. Weasel.
Is it finished, Sly?
Don't be scared! It's just Mr. Weasel and Sly covered in slime.
Now Sly is ruined.
It's only a dent and an easy fix. Why don't you help me?
Does it mean I get sweets quicker?
A team that works together eats sweets together. What tools do we need? Suction cup. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we put the suction cup on the metal. Then we press the handle to make a strong seal around the dent. Now pull, Mr. Weasel, and the dent will pop back out.
I can't. All that pulling was so tiring.
Never mind, it's party time. How about some sweets to celebrate? Oh, you didn't need a fright to get a treat. Now let's dance with wheels and feet. Goodbye, everyone.
These are all toffee! Oh.
Looking spooky, mechanicals. You're all ready for Halloween. Even Tilly is joining in. What's the matter, Green? There's a monster outside? I'd better take a look. Don't worry, mechanicals. There's no such thing as monsters. Hello? Hello? Are you okay, friend? Come into the light. Oh dear, Max. You need a Halloween clean. Let's get you in the car wash. Don't worry, mechanicals. Remember, there are no monsters. When you're ready, Max. There you go, Max. Not so scary anymore. Happy Halloween, everyone!
Blue!
Happy Halloween, everyone. We're having fun at Mr. Weasel's party. Blue? Put your game down now, please, Blue. We're here to enjoy the party.
Grubs up, you gang of ghouls!
Be careful not to make a mess, Mechs.
Oh, there won't be any mess. Behold, my new trash bot!
Guzzling gear sticks. That's quite a gadget you have there, Mr. Weasel.
Isn't it? Now do have some food, Gecko.
What's going on, Mechanicals?
What's wrong with my dear sweet little trash bot?
This doesn't look good.
That's my dinner, you greedy garbage cat! Oh!
Nuts and bolts! It's meant to clean, not eat, Halloween!
We have to stop it, Gecko! Or maybe just you stop it, please?
I need to shut that Junkenstein down. The tool I need is a screwdriver. Gecko's garage, time to fix! Unscrew this panel, and it's night-night trashbot! I'm sorry about your party, Mr. Weasel, but at least there's no clearing up to do.
I suppose so, but maybe I'll put Trashbot back in its box for now. Trashbot? Trashbot! Come to Mommy! Trashbot!
I wonder where it went. Ah, well, happy Halloween, everyone! Happy Halloween! It's all right, Mechanicals. It's just me, Gecko. Huh? Wait a minute. What's that funny noise? There it is again. I hope it's not a spooky Halloween ghost. Phew. Whatever it was, I think it's gone. Oh no, Mechanicals. I think the garage might be haunted. Blue. Wait a minute. Blue, move forward. The noise only happens when you move. No need to panic, shake and shriek. It's just Blue's wheel that has a squeak. A squirt of oil will help you most. And we can say, goodbye, ghost. Phew, panic over. Now we can go trick-or-treating. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye! Hello, everyone. We're decorating Cat's face for Halloween tonight. Careful, Mechs. Have fun, but don't forget we're guests in Cat's home. Oh, don't be scared, Mechanicals. It's just Cat. There's no such thing as monsters. Right, Cat?
See, Gecko. Meow, wow. Everything looks fantastico. Helena, could you hang these cobwebs on the control tower, porfa?
Go, Helena!
The next task is to hang up these ghosts.
I'll help you. We'll be right next door, Mechs. Be careful.
Ooh, qué scary, Gecko.
What's that noise in the hangar? Nothing to fear, Mechs. It's just the wind. Definitely not a monster.
Aye, Gecko, monsters aren't real. I'll show you.
A monster! Okay, there's no such thing as monsters. Wait, that sounds like Helena. She's all tangled up in these cobwebs.
Pobrecita. How did you get locked outside?
I see. Thank you for telling us. But remember, accidents happen when you're not being careful.
Helena can't fly if her rotor blades are tangled in the cobwebs.
To untangle Helena's rotor blades, we have to unbolt them. What tools do we need? Screwdriver, wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we'll unscrew the cap on top to get to your blades. Ooh. Then unbolt them with this wrench. Now, let's bolt your blades back in place, then screw the cap back on your rotor, and all done!
Gracias, Gecko and Mechanicals. Helena has a surprise outside to say thank you.
Let's go, Mechs! But remember, always be careful wherever you roam, especially in a good friend's home. Hooray! Plenty of candy and not a monster in sight! Happy Halloween, everyone! Hello, everyone. We're off to visit Cat. She asked me to bring some special things belonging to my grandpa. And here we are. Wow-wee! Oh, Cat. Are you here? We saw your lovely display and... Huh?
Cálmate, Gecko.
Huh?
It's just face paint for Dia de los Muertos.
Dia de los Muertos? What's that?
It means Day of the Dead. My family celebrates this holiday to remember our loved ones who have passed on. Mi ama, my mother, was an ace pilot. This was her compass. Do you have anything for me, Grandpa?
My grandpa was an inventor. Before he died, he made the famous Gecko specs, a nifty gadget to help you see better in all kinds of situations. I know that horn! That's Bobby the Bus! Sounds like he's in trouble! Oh, it's no good! It's too dark to see!
Gecko, ven acá! Helena's spotlight can find Bobby in the dark.
Good idea, Cat!
Still too dark. I can't see Bobby.
What would Grandpa do? We don't need extra light. These Gecko specs work best at night. There! I see Bobby. Let's go in for a landing. I'll radio Tilly. Glad we heard you, Bobby. Looks like your battery's gone flat.
We can charge him at my base.
Perfect, Cat. And with a little towing, we can get Bobby going. A flat battery isn't much trouble, but needs recharging on the double. There you go. Your battery will be full by morning.
You did a fantastic job finding Bobby in the dark, Gecko.
It's thanks to you, Grandpa. Your Gecko specs saved the day.
Even if you can't see him, your grandpa is still with you, Gecko.
Yes, I'm glad he is. Hello, everyone. We've just dug this big hole so I can repair a leaky water pipe. Come on, Mechanicals. Let's get you cleaned up. It's nearly bedtime. Thanks for your great work, Eric. All clean, Mechanicals. Don't worry, Mechanicals. There aren't any scorpions here. Ah! Huh? Ah! Spinning screwdrivers! It's a giant scorpion! Wait! I know what's going on here. Come on, you lot. Things aren't always what they seem. Oh. First, let's get all this mud off you. See, Mechanicals? It's not a giant scorpion. It's our friend Eric. Oh. Now let's get your digger arm repaired. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. Screwdriver, wrench. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Come on, Mechanicals, there's no time to lose. Let's undo these great big screws. The hydraulic pistons make Eric so strong. Let's put these new ones where they belong. You're all fixed and ready to roll. Just don't fall back into that big hole. Great work, Mechanicals. We made Eric strong and powerful again. Bye, everyone.
Then I saw it, coming out of the dark with great glowing eyes and huge wobbly wheels. It was the ghost truck!
Oh, it's okay, Mechanicals. It's just a story. There's no such thing as ghosts. Are there, Grandma?
Of course not. But scary stories are so much fun.
I wonder where Tilly's got to with those marshmallows. Just a few more
yellow?
A ghost? It can't be! Marshmallows?
Ghost marshmallows? That's new.
We don't need to be afraid or act all silly, because it's not a ghost, it's our friend Tilly.
It was a dark, stormy night and...
No more ghost stories, Grandma.
All right, no ghosts. But let me tell you about the creepy were-kangaroo of Cowabunga Canyon.
Happy Halloween, everyone. We've been busy cleaning muddy vehicles so they're ready to go trick-or-treating. In you go, Molly. Wow, that's a lot of mud, hey, Mechs?
Gecko! There's mud everywhere! And Sly must have a wash before we go trick-or-treating. Look, his costume is filthy.
No problem, Mr. Weasel. We'll soon have Sly looking spotless.
A monster made of mud? That's just silly.
Nuts and bolts! The car wash filter is blocked with all that mud! It's gonna blow! Look out!
Mud everywhere.
I'll need to repair the filter tank before we can clean Sly, Mr. Weasel. Mr. Weasel? Thanks for helping, Sly. We make a good team. Now it's time to reassemble these pieces of the tank. The tool I need is a welding torch. Gecko's garage, time to fix! The heat from my welding torch will seal the metal pieces of the tank together and make it strong. Through you go, Sly, for bubbles, wash and dry.
This is so much fun! Mechs, hello! Yes, it's me! I am the mud monster! Oh, or I was.
Sly is squeaky clean now, Mr. Weasel. I know how much you dislike mud.
No! I love mud! Oh, there's not enough mud. Why? Oh!
He's getting into character. Bravo, Mr. Weasel. Or should I say, Mr. Weasel? Happy Halloween, everyone.
Boo! Hee-hee! Happy Halloween, everyone! Welcome to our ghoulish garage! Huh? That must be Trevor delivering his Halloween pumpkins.
Yeah.
Oh no! Someone's stolen Trevor's pumpkins! Who would be so mean on Halloween? We'll help you find your pumpkins, Trevor. Now that we've finished decorating the garage, come and see. Our celebrations were all too brief. It seems that there's a Halloween thief.
Come on in and have a squeal, My haunted house is a steal! Not so fast! It'll cost you a bucket of candy each! No, Sly! You overgrown pumpkin patch! Oh!
Sounds like Carrie's in trouble. Come on, Blue. Barry's in danger. Show us the way. Huh? Spooky screwdrivers. Let's get you out of here, Barry. Thanks, Blue. You really are my knight in shining armour. Go, Barry!
Gecko!
I'll help you, Mr. Weasel, if you promise to return everything you've stolen.
Oh, okay. I promise.
There you go, Trevor. Now everyone can enjoy your Halloween pumpkins.
Oh, I hate pumpkins. Not funny.
Bye, everyone. Happy Halloween. Great Halloween costumes, Mechanicals. You ready to go trick-or-treating? Sorry, Mechanicals. I have to finish Baby Truck's oil change. You go ahead. I'll catch up.
Trick or treat? Bah! You don't get any sweets unless you scare me. And I am unscarable. Rubbish! I guess I'll need to eat all these sweets by myself.
Huh? Back already? Oh, I'm sorry, Mechanicals. Wait, what's that, Baby Truck? Aha! That's a good idea.
More of those annoying trick-or-treaters. Leave me alone. I don't want...
Well done, Baby Truck. That gave him a Halloween scare, all right. Hoo-hoo! Happy Halloween! Hello, everyone. It's Halloween, and we're trick-or-treating for candy. Cat, Helena, anybody home?
Welcome to Candy Witch Castle. If it's candy that you want, you must complete the haunted treasure hunt.
That voice sounds familiar.
For your first clue, beneath the ghost you must go to find a jack-o'-lantern that's lost its glow.
Be brave, Mechanicals. Don't forget, ghosts aren't real. Let's follow Brave Yellow and remember the witch's clue. Can you spot the jack-o'-lantern that's lost its glow? Blue found the only jack-o'-lantern that isn't glowing. But this bulb is too big. Maybe it belongs elsewhere. Let's take it with us. Come on, the candy treasure hunt continues.
Bien hecho! Now for your next clue. Brave the spider's lair and go inside, because in its web a gift may hide.
This must be the spider's lair. Watch your step, Mechs. Whoa! Ah, a spider! Thanks, Green. Luckily the spider isn't real, but this screwdriver is. It must be the gift from the witch's clue.
At the top of the tower is a fix to complete to light up the treasure of Halloween treats.
Oh, it's so dark up here. We can use this searchlight to look around. Oh, there's no bulb. Ah, yes, of course, Red, we have one. The tool I need is a screwdriver.
Gecko's garage. Time to fix!
We'll use the screwdriver to open up the searchlight and then fit the new bulb we found. Righty-tighty and done! Let's turn it on and look for the candy. The candy witch was cat all along.
Felicidades! You won the haunted treasure hunt candy cauldron!
A cauldron of candy? Come on, Mechs, to the slide!
Happy Halloween!
Oh, goodbye, everyone.